In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of finding Do Prime's IB marketing banners for your clients. Let us walk you through it step by step. Start by logging into your Do Prime client portal. Next, on the left-hand menu, locate the IB menu and click on Marketing Tools. Once the drop-down menu opens, choose Banners to access the available marketing materials. Here, you will discover a comprehensive list of marketing banners offered by Do Prime. From sleek Do Prime logos to exciting Manchester United banners and swap-free account promotions. You name it, we got it. To save you time, our filtering system lets you personalize your search based on 3 key criteria: sizes, languages, and campaign types. For example, if you want multi-regulated broker banners in English, start by selecting Multi-Regulated Broker under the campaign types. Next, choose English from the language options and then select All under the Sizes menu to include all available sizes. Hit Apply Filters to see the specific banners matching your preferences. Remember, you can combine different choices for languages, campaigns, and sizes to find the exact banners you need, without having to filter repeatedly. Finally, to download the images, click on the banner to enlarge it for a better look. Then, right-click on the expanded image and choose Save Image As from the menu. Select a suitable name and location for your downloaded banner file. There is also another way to access your banner. Just click on the Get Code button on the right side of your chosen banner. Next, choose either HTML or JavaScript, depending on your platform's needs. Then, copy the provided code and paste it directly into the desired location on your website or platform. That's it! You're now equipped to find the perfect banners and supercharge your Do Prime marketing. Start exploring our extensive banner library today.